we're going on a trip this week, or this weekend. Go watch some racing. But we are not taking Unicorn for this trip. We're gonna try to save some fuel and we're gonna take another vehicle. So I'm waiting for Merritt to get here. He's bringing the other vehicle. We're gonna take his vehicle. That is an SUV, not his truck. So why are we taking a Traverse instead of your truck on the racing trip?
Because my truck spun a bearing yesterday. We're at DKC, about to race.
Heck yeah.
On our way to Arkansas for our family reunion. And then tomorrow, which will be Saturday, we're gonna watch the SRX race in Nashville. Whole weekend dedicated to racing, and I figured, hey, let's stop at DKC, do at least just one race, get it out of our system. And these carts go really fast apparently. 60 miles an hour. I'd like to do the 90-mile-an-hour carts, but gotta qualify.
Even do 125. They have some carts that do 125.
Yeah, it's insane.
I'm out.
Yeah, I will do it. That sounds super fun. All right, let's go. State Park, which is somewhere in Arkansas. I can't really tell you where.
RV.
So my family reunion is actually here this weekend, and I figured it would be good to go because it's on the way to Nashville. It would be good to stop and say hello and, you know, see them because I haven't seen them in 4 or 5 years. So I figured why not stop? And it's not that far off the highway. It was like 15 minutes right off the highway. So as soon as we get done here, we're probably gonna leave maybe around 9 or 10 in the morning. Yeah, we'll just get right back on the highway and go to Nashville. I would have liked to bring my truck. Can't bring a truck when you spin a bearing. Cylinder 1.
You think it's cylinder 1?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna try this one-handed. Oh, look at that. Oh. Sorry, awful throw. Hey, you caught it.
So we had a converted Jeep coming one day.
Today is Saturday, the 17th, and we are heading to Memphis first to go visit Vast Pro Shops, and then we're gonna head to Nashville and go watch the SRX race.
Yep.
We made a quick stop here at the AutoZone.
Not sponsored.
Non-sponsor, also sponsor me. The transmission is shuddering. I think it's a torque converter going now. Oh my gosh, there's a dog. Hi, puppy. What are you doing? I guess I didn't really explain what we did. We stopped at AutoZone to get some Lucas oil, transmission conditioner stuff. Supposed to stop with torque converter shudder, which is what's happening.
We put about half a bottle in. Yeah. I didn't want to put too much in and overfloat or overfill the trans, because then transmissions aren't happy anyway. So half a bottle, we're gonna go from there, see what happens.
Hopefully it doesn't blow up. There's more dogs. Hello, puppies. Hello. That's a big old fish. We have officially made it into Nashville. Literally, the speedway's right there. We're finding parking. They just started a late model race, which hopefully we can catch the end of it. I'm really excited. And then on top of that, tomorrow, we are going to the Corvette Museum because we're only like an hour away. We have made it to Nashville Fairgrounds.
You can hear them. You can hear them.
You can. Super stoked. Hey, do you care if you're in my video?
Sure.
This is Tyler, whose middle name is also Merritt. It's spelled different, but it's kind of cool. Yeah, we're pumped. This is gonna be fun. There's our flyover. Yay! Thank you, Spirit Airlines.
Race fans, how about that for heat race number 1?
I love that pace car, dude. That's so cool. Crap! I'm going. Tired of this, William.
You started it.
I did. High five! What'd you think, William?
Dude, that was a blast. That was good racing.
So good. Chase Elliott won. Go Chase. That's why I wore my t-shirt.
Sorry, I'm repping Freedom Factory.
Yep.
Freedom Factory.
It was cool. It was a good race. We're heading to our hotel right now. Hopefully we're gonna go to the Music City Bar and Grill. I don't know what it is. There's the only thing open around there. Tomorrow morning we are heading to the National Corvette Museum. It's only an hour away. So we figured why not? One in Rome. They also have a Corvette simulator. So I'm gonna hit that up and try to beat a time that he puts down. I'll let him go first so I can try to beat it. What'd you think of it tonight?
It was great. So glad I came.
Gonna wait till it stops raining? All right, we'll be right back after these short messages. Today is Sunday, the 18th. What time is it? 7 or like 6:54 exactly. I love hotel beds and hotel AC units because they work really well. We are heading to the Corvette Museum.
Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Yep, it's only an hour away. Here we go. William and I are at the world famous National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Because I was looking at the map yesterday, figuring out where the Speedway is. And I kind of zoomed out and I saw Bowling Green. I was like, Corvette Museum, we have to go. We're not that far away. Super stoked. I've been here before, it was 2009, but I didn't really have an appreciation for cars and Corvettes and stuff really at the time, but now I'm like, this is cool. This is what I want to do.
Sweet.
Very good. High five. Good. Very good. No! Dadgummit. This corner, dude. This one, that one super tight one.
There you go.
That was really fun.
Eight.
There's over 354 drivers where we did good.
Cool.
What'd you think?
Dude, I want a simulator like that. I want one that moves. Just got done with the simulator. Got 8th place this week.
Out of 350-ish drivers,
Yeah,
so that's
I'm
pretty good.
happy with that. That's cool. All right, let's go look around.